Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on the combination of atoms and elements in definite proportions by number. In this video, we will explore the concept of chemical combinations and how atoms of different elements come together in precise ratios to form compounds. Let's get started. To understand this concept, I will consider activity 3.2 from NCERT Textbook. As we know, atoms of different elements join together in definite proportions to form molecules of compounds. Here is the table from NCERT Textbook. We will find the ratio by number of the atoms of elements in the molecule of water. We will make the table to solve it. In first column, we will write the symbol of the element. In water, hydrogen and oxygen atoms are their hints or symbols as H and O respectively. In the second column, we will write their ratio number taken from table. In third column, we will write their rest of atomic masses. The fourth column is the ratio of second and third column. In case of oxygen, second and third column has value 8 and 16 respectively, so their ratio will be 8 by 16. The result of this ratio is half or 1 by 2. The fifth column is required only if values come in fraction. Here the result is in fraction for oxygen, so we need to round it off to nearest whole number, that is 1. In order to do so, we need to multiply it with 2. But we have to multiply value of hydrogen as well, which is 1, so multiplying 1 with 2 gives 2. So the inference is 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen is required to make 1 molecule of water. That is how we know combination of atoms by number in a molecule. This combination is called chemical formula of the compound. Let's see how many atoms of carbon and oxygen combine to form carbon dioxide. The process is same. First column with symbols of element. Second column with ratio of their atomic masses from table. Third column contains their atomic masses. Then comes the fourth column with the ratio of second and third column. Now if we see, both the atoms comes with a fraction or decimal value. We need to make this value to simple whole number but multiply both the values with same number. It is a hit and trial way to get the right number to get simple whole number. By multiplying with number 4, the atoms of carbon and oxygen come out as 1 and 2 respectively. This shows in a molecule of carbon dioxide, 1 atom of carbon and 2 atoms of oxygen is required. Now, practice the process with ammonia. Find out how many atoms of nitrogen and hydrogen is required to make 1 molecule of ammonia. In this tutorial, we explored the concept of combining atoms of different elements in definite proportions by number. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Stay motivated, keep learning,